Hey YouTube, what's up? So I got 2 sticker prints today in a small pack. So this one's from, I think it's Jansen, Jansen, graffiti. So I'll try to link him below, although I'm not sure I have his link, but yeah, he got some sticker prints, and he also got, or is getting, one of the Obama t-shirts with the big stencil on it, so I'll be making that for him as well. And then I have these prints. I'm not exactly sure who the guy is, as he paid over the internet, so I didn't get a pack from him as well, but he got these 2 designs done, I think 50 of each. I like this one a lot, as it's like relatively simple, but it's clean, and I like that, and sometimes that's all you need to really do. And then I also have these prints for Sire. It had a ton of black in the image, so a couple of he had some little designs over here that got washed out a little bit, but overall, really cool design, like Mona Lisa with, or not, Marilyn Monroe, my bad, with the gas mask, and then his name under it, so he got a bunch of those. So definitely go check these guys out. I'll do my best to put their links in the description, so you guys can check them out yourself, and trade with them, as they just got a huge restock of stickers. That's going to do it for me. Peace.